Hello everyone. In this lecture, I will show you how to add bibliography in your LaTeX document. So let's open TextMaker first. Okay. Then create one new file and save your file in D drive. Alright, under bibliography folder, give a name, my bib, and save. Okay. Now, to add bibliography in LaTeX, there are two ways you can do that. First one is LaTeX built-in method. Second one using Bibliotex. So let's see the built-in method first. Okay, so set your preamble. Alright. So document class and give your title, make title. Okay, then to add bibliography in your document, you have to start with begin the bibliography, and the number here 99 is the item number, like how many items you can add here. So you can use 99, or if you need more you can use 199. All right, so this is the two reference item I have added here. So you use /bib item, then inside the curly bracket you give one unique name. So this is the name you have to use to refer this whole article or book. Okay, so this is a book and this one is article. All right, the second one, I have the same bib item, then I give another name. This is different than this. You see it's a R Hirota, and here R Hirota 1972. Then in this bib item, the very first you have to write the author's name, comma, then the title of the item, like the book's name or title of the article. Okay, then you have to write the publisher's name. So you need to write italic, then you can use the year of publication, and in the journal you can also use the page numbers. Okay, now then you have to end with bibliography because you opened with begin and you have to end. Now how can you refer this one? So for this, okay, let's make two sections. Okay, so give a name, introduction, and the second section, give a name, LaTeX. Okay, now I have uploaded one text file, so you download that text file and copy and paste your text. So this is that text file. I'm copying first paragraph and pasting in my first section. Okay, and the last two paragraphs you copy and paste in your second section. This way you are building one article. Okay, now you press F6, there is no error, and F7, so you have no document, and you have some references here, you see. Okay, here let's see PDF file here. This will be nice. All right, so here are the two references I have added in LaTeX document. Okay, now okay, let's back to our TextMaker. So if you want to cite or refer this item, you have to use this name. So I'm referring the very first item, so I'm copying this name. Okay, and I'm going here like first step. So I want to actually cite here. So for citing you have to use cite and inside the curly bracket you have to give that name. So I am pasting now. So you see R Hirota. So this is the very first one. Okay, so now the very first item will be referred here. Okay, so let's see. So press F6, F7. So run your program twice. Again F6, F7. Okay, now let's see. See, you have the reference of the first one. So inside the box bracket is 1. In this way you can cite your second one. Alright, let's refer this journal somewhere. So suppose I'm referring here. Okay, then here you have to write cite again, and inside the curly bracket give this name. Press F6 twice, now F7. Okay, you see, so you have the second paper referred here. Okay, so this is the way you use built-in method to add your reference here. So now you can add more reference if you need. Then all the reference item you add here, whether you use or not, this will show up in your document. Now I will show you how to use Bibliography to add bibliography in the document. For this you have to create one Bibliography file. So let's create that file and let's save this file in the same place where you have the text file. Now this file is a .bib file. Make sure you have .bib. So I'm giving name my ref.bib. So don't forget again and to put .bib, then save this file. So that is your bib file. Now you have to add your reference item here. For this you go to your browser and search Google Scholar. Okay, then here you write this collision effect and my name Abdul Sattar Mia. You will get one of my paper here. Now you can copy and paste, like you click cite, then you click Bibliography. You can copy and paste in your Bibliography file. So here is your Bibliography file. This is the very first item, and save this. Okay, now this is your first bib item, and there is a unique name to refer in your paper or in your journal. Okay, and you have the title, then you start with the curly bracket and end with curly bracket here. Then give all the information, author name, book title, pages, year, everything. Okay, then you can add the second item. So let's see here, suppose this one. So again you copy and paste from here. All right, so copy and paste. Now we have two Bibliography item. You can refer them. All right, so save them. Okay, so now we have the Bibliography file. Okay, now for adding, I'm going to my original file. Okay, that is my bib.tex. Okay, so now delete this one, don't need that one anymore because I'm using my Bibliography file here. So for this the command is you have to use bibliography style plain, then use another command, bibliography. So now here you have to put your Bibliography file name inside the curly bracket without any extension. So the name of my file. Let's check again. So my .b file name is my ref. Okay, so without extension you write here myref. All right, now you are good to go. So let's press F2. There is no error, that's good. All right, so for referring this one, now in the site you have to give the name from your myref file. So for referring the first one, this is the unique name you have to use. Okay, copy and go to your original file and paste here. All right, so now if you press F6 and press F7, okay, now your reference should here, but it's not here. There is a question mark. This is why you have to now run your beefsteak file. So you press F11 or click from here beefsteak. Okay, all right. So now you see there is an error. So it says the citation r dot clone Hirota. I'm speaking blah blah blah. So this error means you have one citation here r dot Hirota, but this citation is not in your beefsteak file, right? That's why there is the error. It says you have cited something, but the beefsteak item doesn't have that one. That's why there is error. So you have to remove this one. So I have removed that citation completely. Now you press beefsteak. Okay, so process exited normally, so there is no error. All right, now I have cited just the first one. That's why in your reference shows up the very first article. So if you refer any item from beefsteak file, it will show up in your article, otherwise not. Okay, now let's cite the second article. So let's I'm citing here. So now you see it shows up here. Okay, so you have two items in beefsteak. So this one is first one and this one is second one. So I'm pressing this one. All right, now you save and run beefsteak again and press F6. All right, there is error again. Okay, so this P shouldn't be here. All right, now press F6. Okay, now you have to run beefsteak file again, then press F6 twice, then F7. Okay, so now you have the second item here, you see. Now let's open PDF file to see better way. All right, so I have two reference item here, and I have referred first item here and second item here. Okay, so this is your beefsteak file. Now you can add more item here and save. This is a separate file, and you can refer from here to your document. Okay, note that I have copied this beef item from Google Scholar, but without copying and pasting, you can write by hand here and you can save the beef item. So it's up to you. Okay, so if you want to write the beef item in hand, then you have to follow this pattern. So every time you have to use add, then you have to give one unique name like book or article or journal. Then you have to give one unique name to refer in the document. Then you have to add title with inside a curly bracket. You have to give the author name exactly like this. You can like change the name here. Then you have to give the book title or journal title, page number, year, and anything more if you want you can add here, like the similar format, the name, equal sign, and inside the curly bracket. In this way you can add more bibliography item which are not on the Google Scholar. If you need to write, then you write in hand and follow this pattern exactly same way. Okay, so this is the way you use Bibliotex to add a bibliography in your document. Okay, so that's the all for the bibliography.